Okay, we are here in the studio talking with Kompela. We heard that this man is the owner of this library. You see this beautiful library. He is the one who built it. So we're going to be asking some few questions about this library. So how did you come up with an idea of building this kind of library?
A tortoise and a leopard, since they are animals, you know that a leopard can run faster than the tortoise. Actually, you know chickens. Chickens don't have horns. What I'm trying to say is you can fry chicken's eggs, but your egg cannot fly. What I'm trying to say is that the emotional intelligence is something that you have to carry. Simply because chalk and cheese they are white, it's not the same. What I'm trying to say is that this library, actually, you remember in the olden days when Jesus Christ went on through his lessons, he was never specific in his references. He's always used symbols. Whenever symbol is used in the process where something has to be rectified, none of us gets consumed. If I were referred to Baba would say, hey, when library, I'll put it like that because I am. But if I were not, I'll try to put it in a way that respects what I'm referred to. I hope you understand.
Okay, well, let us now talk about the funding. How did you get the funding of building this kind of library?
As much you deposit your money on the ATM, the money remains on the ATM. It doesn't go with your card. What I'm trying to say is that since you know that Omunye plus Omunye is the sum of the year, that doesn't mean girls must get pregnant every time. What I'm trying to say is that every idea come on my mind, I was used to rectify this in every situation. Actually, I feel so great.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Kompela. We have heard all what you wanted to hear about this new library built by this amazing businessman.